Welcome to the Melly
and Shally Show,
where we unpack the products one product at a time.
So today's product specific will be our Scratch Remover, and this is such an amazing product as it is abrasive rubbing compound that can actually remove, restore headlights and also remove scratches.
So the product code of the Liqui Moly Scratch Remover is 2320. And there are two very common problems that Shally just touched on. But the reality is our Liqui Moly Scratch Remover can just about take out any scratch. But very important, if it's gone into the paint, it won't be able to remove the scratches. But let us quickly show you what to do step by step.
Awesome, so you'll see on this fender panel, we actually have scratches going along the side here, and we're going to showcase how easy it is to remove these scratches. So what you'll see applying the product itself, it is purple, and this is the abrasive rubbing compound. What you want to do is just put it on the body and apply it in a circular motion. And as soon as I start doing that, you'll see it chemically alters the surface of this panel and also starts removing those scratches quite easy.
And removes the cookie that tells you where the damage was.
So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn this around and just try and buff this out so you can see if there's any results. And I can see it's quite amazing difference. Okay,
so the fine scratches are out. And what you would use to be able to make sure that these scratches and the detailing and just to smooth it all up would be the Liqui Moly gloss spray wax. And this gloss spray wax code is 1647. You can apply this product even afterwards, meaning after you've washed your car and there's still a little bit of scratches. You don't have to worry about it because it will not damage the paint. It's got nanotechnology, so it's going to cover the dust molecules to make sure that you do not scratch your car again. But it's just going to make sure that it brings out that natural shine and your vehicle look brand new. So the Liqui Moly Scratch Remover, very easy to use product. Don't be scared with the purple colors, just to make it a little bit funky. But another very important place for us to use this product is on dull headlights. So I don't know if you've seen if the headlights change a little bit in color. It looks like if it's sandblasted. And Shally's going to quickly take you through a quick step-by-step process of what you would do if you need to clean your headlights and bring them back to their original state. Very important. You don't have to remove your headlight. So we've just done this because it was too difficult to bring the car into our training area. Shally?
So quite exciting, you'll see we are developing a scratch stop kit, and in this kit you actually have sandpaper where you'll be able to remove most of the UV damaged parts of the headlight itself. So what you'll do, you actually buff with the sandpaper itself, and then after that we'll use the scratch stop, the rubbing compound, which will remove all the abrasive little scratches to try and clear it out. And as Mel mentioned, recommended is to use our gloss spray wax afterwards for the UV protection and also for that nice gloss as we want.
So the grouping of these two products, as they work very well in a combination. And then with some of the before and after pictures, you'll see the huge difference it makes. If you do have your headlights that have that's a couple of years of damage, you see that they're really badly sandblasted. The next thing that you can do is make sure that if you have a polish machine, is apply the scratch remover a couple of times and make sure that you can actually remove it until you're happy with the color restorement and also the level of it going back to its original condition.
Yeah, so this is a very simple DIY trick that Liqui Moly offers, and it helps you to avoid the expensive repairs.
So don't worry if your rings and everything has damaged a little bit of the car, or you did not really calculate entering your driveway away from the tree. Don't worry, Liqui Moly is here, and with these two products you'll be able to take off those fine little scratches. Thank you very much for watching the Melly
and Shally Show.